Have you seen this video? You might think it was made using 2 or 3 different tools, but no. Today, I'm going to test this step by step and show you with real examples that this entire video was created using just one all-in-one platform. This platform claims that you can take an idea from start to finish without switching between multiple tools. Today, I'm going to put it to the test. Do you want to know the name of this tool? It's Deevid AI. Hi there! In this video, we're going to explore Deevid AI hands-on. No marketing fluff, no big promises. Deevid AI is an AI-powered content creation platform that combines several tools into one environment: video creation, image generation, music production, and even avatars. It's designed for content creators, marketers, and anyone who wants to create videos quickly, easily, and efficiently. The big question is, does this integration actually work in practice, or is it just on paper? Stay with me until the end of the video, and we'll find out exactly what this tool can do. As always, I've put the link to the platform in the description. Once you get to the main page, click on Start for Free. Then you either log into your account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. After that, you enter your workspace, a clean, simple environment where you just do your work and move on. It's fast and very straightforward. On the left side, you'll see 2 main sections: Explore and My Assets. In Explore, you can see samples created by other users, or even reuse the same prompts to create something similar with your own twist. In My Assets, everything you create is saved: images, videos, avatars, voice recordings, and full projects. Now let's talk about AI generation. You simply provide your prompt, and the tool generates the output with minimal friction. For example, I'm giving it my own prompt. You can also add a reference image or frame from your assets as a starting point. In fact, you can first generate a reference image, save it in your assets, and then use that image to generate a video. When you click Create, Deevid first asks you to generate reference images. This uses credits, and once that's done, the video generation process begins. After the reference images are generated, you can review them and make adjustments if needed. Then the tool automatically generates several refined prompts based on those images, and you can choose the one that best matches your vision. Once you confirm, the video creation starts. The result is actually very solid. It captures most of what I asked for in my prompt. There are small details that could be improved, but overall the output is clean and usable. And with more refined prompts, the results can become really impressive. Now let's go back to the main menu and move to the most important part of Deevid. This is where Deevid really shows its power. Here you can upload a static image, a portrait, a cinematic frame, or even a marketing visual, and Deevid will turn it into a video. To really judge the quality, I'm not testing this with just one image. I'm using multiple real-world examples. First, a human portrait to check facial stability, skin texture, and natural movement. Second, a product-style image, similar to what you'd use in ads or marketing videos where small distortions really matter. And third, a cinematic or urban scene, to see how well Deevid handles depth, motion, and atmosphere. In all cases, I'm comparing them side by side, the original image versus the generated video, so you can clearly judge the results yourself. Using the Start Image option, I upload my image, write a short prompt, choose the generation model, and click Create. For image to video, I strongly recommend using V 2.0 or Sora 2 for the best results. Also adjust the video resolution, usually between 5 and 10 seconds. Within a couple of minutes, the video is ready. You can see that it preserves the position and overall quality of the original with smooth and natural motion. The between image feature allows you to transition from one image to another seamlessly. You can describe how the transition should happen using a prompt, which is great for trendy edits and storytelling content. The reference image feature lets you upload up to 7 reference images of a character, product, or scene. This helps Deevid maintain consistency, so the same face or object doesn't change across different generations. I upload my reference images, select a master model, adjust the settings, and click Create. After a short wait, the video is ready, matching both the prompt and the references. Next, we move to text to video. Here, you simply write a text prompt, and Deevid generates a complete video from scratch. For example, I type, "Dragons are having a tea party with floating sparkles and whimsical bounce animation, colorful and playful." Within seconds, the video is generated. Just keep in mind, the more precise and intentional your prompt is, the better the output will be. You can also use ChatGPT inside Deevid to create more cinematic and structured prompts. Here as well, Master V 2.0 and Sora 2 are the recommended models. Deevid isn't just for videos. It also includes an AI image generator powered by the Nano Banana model, which lets you generate images directly inside the platform. This means the entire workflow, from image creation to video generation, stays in one place. With image to image, I upload an image, describe how I want it to change, choose the Nano Banana model, and click Create. Within seconds, the new image is ready, and the quality is excellent. With text to image, I simply describe what I want, and Deevid generates the image from scratch. The template section is also very useful for quick edits like background replacement or color correction. You choose a template, upload your image, write a prompt, and get the result instantly. Another important feature is the AI music generator. Instead of using a separate tool for music, Deevid allows you to generate music that matches the mood of your video: emotional, cinematic, energetic, or minimal. For example, I use a prompt generated by ChatGPT, choose the vocal style, adjust the parameters, and click Create. Within about a minute, the music is ready, and it fits perfectly with video content. One feature that really completes the all-in-one idea is AI avatar video. Inside Deevid, you can choose from a library of public avatars, each with different styles and presentation formats. I select an avatar, then choose one of the available looks, different outfits, camera angles, and backgrounds, depending on the type of video I want to create. After that, I choose a voice from the built-in voice library, or even clone a custom voice for a more personalized result. Now, all I need to do is type my text, or upload or record audio, and Deevid automatically generates a talking avatar video with accurate lip sync and natural speech timing. This is especially useful for presentations, explainers, product demos, or educational videos, particularly if you don't want to be on camera yourself. And once again, everything happens inside the same platform. No external avatar tools and no separate voice software. This is exactly what makes Deevid feel like a true all-in-one solution. Image, video, music, and even presenters all working together in one workflow. In short, Deevid brings all AI content creation steps into a single platform: image creation, video generation, music production, and AI avatars. Everything is fast, clean, and designed for real-world use, whether it's social media, marketing, or professional projects. If you want to test this yourself and see what Deevid can really do, head over to the website and try it with your own ideas. The link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone interested in AI and content creation. This is just the beginning. See you in the next video, my digital friend.